Good morning guys, I'm Elle. Welcome back to my channel. My room and my home in general is a complete tip. And so I thought I would do a 10-minute tidy up for you today. So the video will be 10 minutes long, so you can set it, enjoy the music, and tidy up alongside me. If you ever look at YouTubers' houses that are always spotless, that do cleaning videos or whatever, and you're always thinking to yourself, how do they keep their house looking so great? Like my house never is that tidy. Welcome to my channel, where I'm just as much of a hot mess as you are. So the idea behind a 10-minute tidy up is it's not a really deep, intensive clean. It's sort of tidying things up, putting things back, and really sets the stage for then if you're gonna go in and do a really intensive, deep clean of certain rooms. So we're gonna start with my bedroom.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me.
I actually deep cleaned my bathroom yesterday, but today was a hair wash day for me, and so that happened.
The pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. I know you're miles away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you how I feel. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger wish I could just call you up. I'm alone in room 308. Yeah, are you awake? Wish I could call you. I'm gonna call you. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. The girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
That is it for today's 10-minute tidy up. It is amazing how much you can get done when you just set a timer for 10 minutes. Here is the actual time it took me to clean all of this, just to give you an idea of what's realistic of what you can get done in 10 minutes. I hope you found this motivating. I hope you found it fun. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not subscribed already. As always, thank you guys so much for being a part of this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. We just passed 10,000 subscribers, which I'm so excited about. You guys let me know, is it time for a giveaway because we hit our first big milestone on this channel? I think it is. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I will see you next week. Bye.